Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another one. I'm just dropping this video because I thought it'd be perfect to show you and tell you guys about the key fob. So I had this key fob about 2 years now. If you look at my previous videos, I show you of how to program it and where I bought it from. Bought it from the same place. It's by ECCPP. And I'm just replacing this because the top shell broke. It's been like this for a while. I just got around to remembering it, but before I lose it completely once this side breaks, that way I don't have to buy a whole nother transmitter. So what I got here is I bought just the shell. So basically what I'm going to do is just swap the electrical board and the battery in here and be good as new. So let me go ahead and get that going and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, got the guts switched out from this one into the new one. If you need just the shell like I bought, I'll put the link in the description. If you need a whole new transmitter, I'll put also that link in the description. But yeah, that's all there is to it. No more broken key fob. Nice. Brand new. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know you guys appreciate this. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.